And I got really big lights. Correct. Come on, I need the ammo.
This is gonna be exciting. That was close.
And let's see. Swag. Bull.
He could be championship material, folks.
Wolf. There we go.
Wow! Note to self.
Let's
never
do
mess
it.
With a... Let's get ready.
What the hell is this?
He sure got his bell rung that time.
Woo! That's my last one. Bull. See, they do pretty good damage, and that's only level 1 of those guys. So they're definitely gonna get really good. Wolf. Wolf. What else do I have? Pretty sure that's already leveled up. The lock on and like the aiming in this game though is pretty bad. I think the second one had
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for... Ladies and gentlemen.
Guess we get another disc.
Give a big hand for Ratchet
We have some robot wars going on. Yep, basically.
From a rare first edition Quark video comic.
Yes.
And here to present the grand prize, the incredible, incomparable, intalented.
Intalented? Wow.
If we play this right, she'll lead us right to Dr. Nefarious. Better let me do the talking.
Yes.
It is an honor for you to meet me. I mean, you, me, you.
It is an honor for
Yours.
you to meet
Hi.
me.
Hi.
My, you're even more gorgeous in person than you are on the Hollow, Agent Clank. I've got a few secrets of my own that might need your special investigation.
Swag.
Yes, I will report your concerns to the proper authorities.
Oh, Agent Clank, you always know exactly what to say to a woman. You know, I'd do anything to play a part in one of your Hollow films.
That could be arranged, Miss Gears, if you are willing to provide information on the whereabouts of Dr. Nefarious.
Dr. Nefarious? You have been busy, haven't you? You just get me that part, and I'll tell you anything you want to know.
Clank.
Meet me at Hollow Star Studios.
What you know about my boy Clank, though? Toxodon, what's going on? Wasn't really bad yet. Some really good robots. Oh, is that a game? Oh, look at all this new stuff now. Oh, you already know. You already know. Time to waste my life. Let's do it. Oh, it's like crumbling now. Dear God. Alright, so these things like auto leveled up. So it seems like level 3 is the highest. So
Push
let's.
the button to flip the side. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Let's level this bad boy up.
This little guy can really move. Look at those three little eyes. He's got that 1,000-yard stare.
Oh.
This is gonna be exciting.
Alright, we're good, we're good. Oh, okay. Please stop that.
Man, this job is too much fun.
Alright, one more. Swagging on him. What is that? You keep saying that, Versace. I don't know what that means. I never heard of that.
Could go all the way. Ouch! He's gonna feel that tomorrow.
Swag. And then the one I would like to see is back. It's Gladiator. Oh, Gladiator the show. Those were pretty good though. Like they basically have the same thing nowadays, but it's like so weird. Like the challenges, those challenge shows are like really, really awkward nowadays.
Oh man, this job is too much fun. This little guy can really move. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
There we go. Wow, I still got nicked by that.
This is gonna be exciting.
They really expected you like to get really get hit on these things too. Woo! Told you this thing was gonna be a beast, man.
Note to self: never mess with the trigger.
Well, I know she wants the D, she wants the dick, but like you're saying like time to suck. Wow. Like it's like the yeah, like I know the dick or the D. The way he was spelling it, I didn't know if he was like it was a typo on his phone or something.
Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana.
This is like free money.
Derby.
Alright, Gladiators, Wars, taking dives. I'll say I probably could shoot both of them.
Oh man, this job is too much fun.
Alright, we're good.
Ooh, he's gonna shoot me. I wonder if he's right.
There we go. You're dead. You're dead. And you're dead. Yay.
That was close.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Minute of the show. Nobody who would take a dive. Oh, you mean like on the show people would take dives? And I failed the mission. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, let's go.
The little guy's really taking a beating.
I got hit by fire once. Calm down.
Push the button to flip the side.
But they don't really have too many of those type of shows anymore, do they?
This job is too much fun.
Oh, please tell me they come back.
Hey, be me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
And they don't. Yay. Yay, 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 yay.
The little guy's really taking a beat.
I forgot that the fire does that. With those platforms do that.
Flip the side. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby. This little guy
There we go.
can really move.
All the ammo, baby. Woo! Suck cannon on deck. Alright, suck cannon number 4.
Oh man, this job is too much fun. That was close.
Suck cannon getting up there, baby. HG29 says what's up. Tell him I say what's up too. If he's hosting, I can't see host right now for some reason.
Good go all the way.
For some reason, like my ability to see host is like completely messed up. I got a skill point. Whatever. Something like the MTV challenge. MTV challenge. Ugh. Alright, just making sure I got everything. Time to suck. Defeat all enemies using only the silver. Okay, sweet.
Have to do this with one weapon, folks.
One weapon challenge. Oh, he's still on. Tell him I said, hey. Hey.
Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
There we go. I want to suck more stuff up. They're giving me free ammo here. So strong.
The little guy's really taking a beating. Let's get it on.
Whoa.
Championship material, folks.
There we go.
Positively shocking.
Come on, baby. The rest of the evening, you seem pretty popular. I know a lot of people, and I'm part of 2 stream groups. I'm part of two stream groups. We are Legend and the Tide Pool. And I've been streaming for like over 3 years, almost 3 years now. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of people, and I like them. They like me. I host a lot of people too. I don't have that gun. Can I buy it though? No, I cannot. I'm nowhere near buying it. One hit wonder. Show I know without taking a single hit. Cheating time.
Now it's time to get down and dirty.
Are you gonna get crystals again? I don't know. Oh, the sewer crystals?
Showdown.
Maybe. Alright, let's just cheat. I'm gonna cheat it.
Who's gonna clean up that mess? Not me, man.
I got my homie shooting out for me. Oh wait, now they have little guns. See, I told you, like, look. Now they have guns now. Get out of my face.
Let's get it on.
They have guns and then they go explode. That's absolutely fantastic. But building a community on Twitch, like people will raid, host you, and you do it back to them. It's just kind of how it works. It's just a really cool community.
Weatherman says, lightning storm headed your way.
Look how dope these guys got. First they just run into people. Now they like have shooters on their back. That's like legit cool. But you deserve it. It was kind of disappointed when Cal stopped for the night because nobody's on iFollow, but your stream is really entertaining. Couch always seems to host good streamers. Yeah, we're all cool people, and Couch is pretty good. I haven't hosted him in a while because he changed his Steam schedule to earlier. So now he streams and he ends before while I'm still streaming. So either he can host me up or stuff like that, but only during certain parts of the day I can hit him up, and I haven't been able to recently. You can have two open or just watch who you want, man. I think I usually stream longer than him, so you can always come after he's done. That's another option. Always watch your favorite streamers. I always have 4 streams running during the day. At least 4. I run 4 streams. I support streamers. Like, streamers, they're trying their hardest, their best to become like, you know, what you want to watch. You know, they really do. And sometimes people don't know how how much it goes into, like how much they like really try. So I try to, like, if you're like a full-time caster and you're really trying, and if I have like a browser, definitely try to open it up. There we go. Didn't get touched that entire time. Looking for poo. Looking for poo. Okay, I can't do this because I don't have that gun yet. Beat this wins without taking a hit. So beat this crew here without taking a hit. Fuck. Alright, we gotta do damage. Gotta do damage here. This is all about doing damage.
Let's get ready on that Thank you. Now I'm beautiful. Rip it good, Helen. Ian, baby.
Fuck, where is he? Alright, we did a lot of damage with this. That's just the, that's just the... Oh fuck! Alright, and I just gotta dodge this, then we should be good. Fuck! Oh, you see the turrets? Did you see the turret damage? Aggro Magnet, what's going on? Yeah, even if they like, exactly. Wow, hold on. Holy shit. Oh shit. Dude, what up, Key? Get her, get her, get her, get her, get her. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. I was looking at the floor. There we go. Ah, here we go. But yeah, if you like view count, I mean, I learned that view count is really cool and all, but I just fell in love with just streaming. Now I just fell in love with streaming. Before starting this part, you could say my name is Maximus Decimus Murderus, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix legions, loyal servant to the true emperor, Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I'll have my vengeance in this life or the next. What the fuck is that from? What the fuck is that from?
This is a psycho challenge. When I give the signal, you switch weapons. Get ready for the switch. Now, switch weapons.
Let me
tell you, those things will take your eyebrows off. Get ready for the switch. Hey, buddy, you got a permit for that?
Move.
Did you see that?
Move. Shoot him up. Shoot him up.
Get ready for the switch.
There we go. Oh, that was dirty. Beautiful.
Whoa! This little sucker can really do some damage.
Wow, there's like 16 rounds. There we go.
For the switch. Look at those pretty little eyes. He's got that
There we go. We doing work. I've seen Gladiator. Oh, you were quoting Gladiator. Okay. Nah, it's just I thought you were talking about the game. I thought you were talking about Ratchet Clank. That's why I got confused. I got so confused. I was like, what the hell are you talking about?
Get ready for the switch. Now, switch weapons.
The plasma whip. Here you go, Bob. Chuck it. There we go. There we go. Now we got the regular pistol.
Time for a little surprise.
Ew, stop it. Stop it.
Get ready for the switch.
There we go. That reminds me of Call of Duty World at War, running around with a flamethrower. Dude, World at War was actually a pretty fun game. Definitely one of the funner ones. Counting ducks. The arena is filled with gathers on a snooze miss. Eliminate all items before Ratchet is knocked out. It's like a time thing.
This one, the sleeper round. The Lombax better be able to hold his breath.
Sleeper gas round. Alright, that's about to level up. Boom.
This little sucker can really do some damage. He could be championship material, folks.
Look at that big AoE. That's such a good AoE. Really good AoE on it.
Smooth like gas, not much longer now.
There's not even a timer for the round, like how they... Woo! I don't really get the point of that round, but whatever. The campaign went a little with Jack Bauer, but I mean, it was just really good.
Let's get ready to rampage.
Get quiet in here. It's getting late, bro. It's getting late, bro. You know, Tachi has a recharge button. After a while, he needs to recharge with his hentai pillow. #1 waifu. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I want to get the whip up. That's really good. With a... I got that. Come on, give me more ammo. Give me more ammo. There we go. Oof, baby. Oh, I completely missed that. Sweet! Join me in full screen. Wow, what a terrible mod to put in full screen. Please. Take away your green sword right now, bro. What if someone was spamming porn links, bro? What if I needed you? Thought we were friends. I thought we were friends. One shot mode.
Let's get it on. He could be championship material, folks.
Yep, Inferno mode OP. Inferno mode OP. Oh god, 43 mods. Get out of here. Get out of here with that. Alright, so the Agents of Doom is about to level up to level 3. Come on, baby. Alright, here we go. Final round. Come on, level up already. There we go. Yes. Yes. Yeah, the guys with lightsabers in the arena. Ooh, we got some more stuff. Can I afford the thing yet? I can actually, so we can do this challenge. Annihilator's really good though. Annihilator's a really good weapon, but right now I'm gonna get the disc thing because I want to do this challenge. So, that chop chop.
He's gonna have to do this with one weapon, folks.
You have a bot that checks if manga's out? Tachi, that's so lazy. Okay, this thing's really strong.
He could be championship material.
Is that all it does? Lock on, like, chunk?
Don't look down. Positively shocking. Whoa, this little sucker can really do some damage.
That's a terrible weapon. Use the rift inducer. Oh, we don't have that yet. That is like my favorite gun though. That is my favorite gun, yo. It's so broken. It's completely broken. The V Scorpio while Ratchet changes weapons on its own.
All right, folks. This time it's switched to get rich. It's time to do the weapon streamthrough. He sure got his belt on that time.
It does mad damage though. And you can rapid fire it, so that's pretty good. Jump, 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 jump. Oh God. Really, the lava gun? There we go. Easy, B Scorpio, before the snooze thing goes in. Okay. Another challenge.
Ratchet!
Alright, actually no, give me, what do these agents do right now? Agents of Doom getting better.
We have a new champion! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for...
Agents of Doom getting better. Fight through ways to end it. Gladiators and changing the mass of the Scorpio. Nice. Can't do that yet. I don't have the Rift Inducer. That's not even available to me at the moment. It's like ridiculous to say actually about that.